Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's very short video I have 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will explain the auto hold feature. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, the auto hold feature, once activated, helps you while braking. So pretty much what it means, if you come to a full stop, for example at a traffic light, and you remove your right foot from the brake pedal, the vehicle will maintain the braking force. So that means you can rest your right foot while at traffic lights. That's the main purpose of this feature. Now, this can be very handy for people that actually drive in large cities and through lots of traffic lights and lots of stops, right? That way you can be more relaxed and rest that right foot. That's pretty much it. To disengage it, you just press it, and if there is no light illuminated here, that means that option is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.